guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime. Sorry guys, I haven't made a video in such a long time. I decided I'm only going to make a video once a week. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shaving cream slime. It's really fun to play with. So soft. And it smells good too because you use shaving cream, you know. Oh, made a fart. And I'm going to put it in here. Okay. So what you're going to need is something to mix in. I got a bowl. Something to mix in. I got a little mini whisk. Some glue. I'm not going to make that much because I don't have any glue, as you can hear. Nothing. Shaving cream, main ingredient. Food coloring, optional. Borax, you don't have to use borax. You can use, what's it called? Contact lens cleaner. Liquid starch or Tide or, yeah. And some water. Okay, so first, you're going to add your glue. It's going to take a long time because there's like barely any glue in here, so I'll get back to you when I got my glue. I'm back after hours and hours of hard work. No, just kidding, that was only a couple minutes. I finally got my glue in. I don't know why my whisk was in there the other way, but okay. Okay, so that's my glue. I'm going to add some food coloring, put some glue. And then however much whipped cream. Oh yeah, however much whipped cream you can, it's edible slime with glue and borax and water in it with whipped cream. With your shaving cream, however much you add, that's how soft it's going to be, and I want it really soft. So, shake it. Okay, that's my shaving cream in it. I'm going to mix it all up. Looks so yummy, I just want to eat it. Yummy. I wish you guys could see how yummy this looks right now. Too bright. Okay. That's how it's looking so far. Such a pretty color. It's like a baby blue. Okay. Now, in a different container, I'm just going to use my failed experiment thing. I'm going to get some borax. Gotta be careful with this water because I feel that like all the way up to the top, like major top, like, you know, that's overfilled. Like it's like seriously all the way. Oh my god, that's okay. It's just a giant mess of water. Yeah, that's okay. We'll clean it up. Okay. Then I'm going to mix that borax and water up. Or with Tide or liquid starch or contact lens cleaner, you can just add it in there. this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm getting my shirt all wet. Right now it's like in the middle of the night. I don't know why I'm doing this in the middle of the night. So I decided, since I want my YouTube channel to be a little more professional, I am going to, hit that like button, but you can also press that dislike button if you don't like it. You know, it's your choice. It's your choice, man. You need to add a little more borax, and subscribe, but I think I'm going to be a little more professional, and I'm going to make a video once a week on Wednesdays after school. I'm only 10. My real name is Serenity. And yes, I'm blonde. Okay, so this is the one I just made. It's really fun. That's what's gonna happen. Fun. This one's not as stretchy as the last one, but because if you add too much of borax or too much glue, like if you add too much of something or too less of something, it's gonna get a different consistency, because this one has a different consistency from this one. So this is gonna go in my succeeded experiments jar. Oh crap. Oh crap, it's not coming off my card. I'll clean my floor up. Okay, I'll just get that off in a second. Okay. Bye guys, that was today's video. You'll see me next week on Wednesday. Bye, 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 bye.